Exercise 3. A. Look at the following pictures carefully. Complete the short paragraph describing each picture. This is a garden. In the middle of the garden is a mango tree. There is a monkey in the tree. A bear is riding a bicycle along the path. Close to the path are some rabbits. They are having a picnic. To the left is a bridge built over the river. On the bridge, a duck and a dog can be seen walking towards the tree. Tommy is at home. He is sitting on a sofa reading his comics. In front of him is a table with books on it. It is quite a messy sight. Placed together with the television is the stereo system and a video compact disc player which enables Tommy to play video compact discs and watch movies. There is a balcony which overlooks a small lake. The floor is covered by a lush carpet. B. Read the following paragraph. Complete the exercise. During winter in London, it is very cold. All the trees are bare and dull. The weather is dry and windy. People wear thick coats and wrap themselves with scarves and gloves. When it snows, the whole city turns white. Children enjoy playing in the snow. They have snowball fights and they challenge one another by making snowmen or skating in the park. 1. Imagine summer in London or a hot season in your country. Describe it in about 80 words. During the summer season, it is hot and humidity. All the human, animals, and birds become irritated of the season. They pray for the rain. In summers, the sky becomes clearer and there are no clouds on the sky. And the sun shines brightly. The ponds, wells, rivers are dry at this time. In summer, the days grow long and the night becomes short. People wear light clothes. They like to sleep in the open air at night. It is enjoyable to bath in cold water. Rain comes after the summer season and we feel happy then. It is enjoyable to bathe in cold water. Rain comes after the summer season. We feel happy then. 2. Compare winter in Murray with a cold season in another city. Fill in the chart. Weather in Murray and another city. Name of the city is Lahore. Weather in Murray, cold, dry, windy snow. And in Lahore, cold, windy. How does the street look? How does the street look in Murray? Trees with bare branches. And in Lahore, trees swaying in the wind. What people wear in Murray? Sweaters, coats, jackets, gloves and scarves. And in Lahore, sweater, jersey, jackets, coats. What people do? What people do in Murray? Spend more time indoor, enjoy snow falling, trekking, taking soup, coffee. And in Lahore, stay at home, avoid moving outside. What children do? What children do in Murray? Make snowman, make snowballs for fighting, scat in park. And in Lahore, play more indoor games instead of outdoor activities. C. Look at the following pictures. Write one or more sentences using the helping words or phrases given. Over, bus stop, school. It is off time. The bus is ready to pick up the children from school. 2. Get off, school bag left behind. When John gets off the bus at the bus stop near house, he came to know that he had left his bag behind. 3. Help, motorcycle, stop. He saw a motorcycle from a distance. He waves hand to stop motorcycle. He asked him to help him to take his bag back. 4. Motorcyclist give chase, excited. John sits behind him. He is very excited. The motorcyclist and John give chase. 5. Catch up, pick up, wait. They manage to catch up the bus. The bus stops and John goes up to pick up his bag. Motorcyclist decided to wait outside. 6. Grateful, thank, sincere. John is grateful for his help. He thanks the motorcyclist for being so helpful and sincere to him. D. Writing task. Imagine looking out of the window from a tall building. A beautiful view greets you. Use your imagination to describe the scene from the window. Brainstorming guidelines. 1. What catches your attention immediately as you look out? Answer. Tall buildings, motorcycles, rickshaws and car. 2. Describe the scene. Answer. Busy road, many cars, zooming about, many pedestrians walking here and there. 3. What can you see in the distance? Answer. I can see green fields. Farmers are plowing in the fields. 4. What do you hear? I hear horns blaring, noises and laughing of the boys playing in the cricket stadium. 5. How do you feel as you look out of that window? Answer. I feel relieved and glad that I am sitting in my air-conditioned room. 6. How different would the view be at different times of the day? Answer. In the morning, birds are chirping, rush of cars and motorcycles. In the afternoon, children are coming back to homes from school. There is rush of traffic. By the nightfall, the roads are deserted. There is darkness all over the street. Now, with the help of the guidelines, describe the scene from the window in continuous writing in about 100 words. Give your composition a suitable title. The title of the composition is The View from My Window. It is about sunrise. Cool breeze is blowing. Birds are chirping. I can see tall buildings, green fields, and people walking in the street. At about 8 o'clock, there is a rush of bikes, cars, vans, and rickshaws to carry the students to school. The roads are busy. There are also pedestrians rushing about. There are open fields in the distance. I can also hear the horns blaring and boys laughing in the cricket stadium. I am glad that I am sitting in my room. Late in the afternoon, children are coming back to their homes. By the nightfall, there is complete silence in the street. E. Practice in creative writing. You are at the airport and your flight has been delayed. You decide to pass time by writing a short letter to a close friend. Include a description of what is happening around you at the airport. Dear Helen, my flight has been delayed for 2 hours, so I am waiting in the departure lounge. There are other passengers too. They are also waiting for the same flight. There is a lady with infant in a push chair. The baby is sleeping peacefully and the lady also seems exhausted. I am also feeling sleepy, but I am fearful as I might miss the flight. There is a counter at the end of the lounge. People are gathered there to have some biscuits and cold drinks. I cannot wait to visit London. I will call you once I come back from my trip. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.